everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to recover messages on TikTok. The first thing to do is go to your inbox and go to a conversation. Now you want to try deleting a message and it doesn't appear in the conversation page. So if you seem to delete other message and you want to recover it, you might go to your profile and click on the bar on the upper right corner and click on settings and privacy. Once you're in the settings and privacy page, you may click on the account. Once you're in the account, you may click on the download your data. Now in this page, you are going to request a data of your TikTok account. This data will include your profile, your activity, and your app settings. And you want to make sure that the file format for this is the text file format. So once it's downloaded, it can be readable. And click on request a data afterwards. Once it's done, you can see your request is still pending and TikTok will give you a notification once your data is available to read. If you think this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.